Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today, I'm excited. Usually, with late 80s, early 90s stuff, I'm not as excited, but these are the cards here, man. 1989 Upper Deck. Could contain one of the most iconic cards of this whole era, and maybe the only one that's worth any actual money, which would be the Ken Griffey Jr. rookie card. And I don't have one of these, and I know I could buy one, like graded and all that, but isn't it more fun to try to find one in a pack? So I've got two unopened packs, and we're about to go through it and see if we can find Junior in here. I hope so. It would be so cool. So let's see what we got. I don't want to mess anything up here. Okay. I'm liking the first card. Dale Murphy. Greg's brother Mike. Oh, and now they're turned the other way. Come on, man. How can I fix this? I can't win right now. What's this? Some little stickers. One's of pirates, one's of Indians. Mostly they're just blinding us here. Okay, I gotta get this right. Cool. I like any Ozzie Smith card I get. Kelly Gruber. I can't win with this card orientation, y'all. This happens to me sometimes. That's a mouthful. Okay, one down. One more to go. Could it be in here? It could be. It could be, and that's the whole point, is you never know. I believe that these had not been resealed or anything like that. I think these are really factory sealed, so. Rob Murphy. Eric Plunk. Why does it do this to me? Johnny Ray, Joel Youngblood. And now they're upside down. Mike Felder. Some stickers. Red Sox and Pirates this time. World Series MVP, Oral Hershiser. Cool. Orlando Mercado. Mike Fitzgerald. Mookie Wilson. I don't like that these are the wrong way, because that's going to be how we see it if we get a Griffey. Of course, there's only a few left, so. Steve Wilson, Junior Ortiz, and Jeff Calhoun. Well, guys, no Griffey Jr. Rookie, but man, it is so fun to open these packs up when you're like hoping to get something and you're trying to anticipate. But these are the cards I kind of like from what we did get. And opening these things up is always fun, and I hope y'all enjoy watching. If you do, please like the video, subscribe, because I got a lot of this stuff. I got a lot of cards I got a lot of unopened packs from all kind of different years, and newer, older, a ton of variety coming. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment, leave me suggestions of something that maybe you want to see, and have a great day.